Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be looking at part 1-36C Feedwater Heater Top Flange of the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be working on part 1-36C Feedwater Heater Top Flange. 1-36C. There we go. Top plane sketch. We want a circle. That's going to be 99 diameter. Then we want another circle. We'll put that before we've done sketch. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. That's going to be 73. 73. Beautiful. And that's going to be feature extrude. It'll be 6 mil mid plane. And done. There we go. Now we want to go, doesn't matter which side, just doing this one here. Normal 2 sketch. We're going to create 2 more circles just like we did. This one's going to be, yep, right there, same size as that one. Second one won't be. Now I could have done this circle and extrude that and then pull a hole straight through. That would work as well. Okay, so this one is going to be 95. 95. That one's already done. That's good. Because that's locked into that one. So that's, I clicked on there so it won't change. So if I do that, if I try to, okay, remember it doesn't always click in. So 73. It was clicked in. It was right to the point, but it's adjustable, so it never hurts to just double check. Put a measurement in there. That way it's locked in. It cannot be changed later. Okay, so now feature extrude, and that's going to be 3 mil. So, oh, yep, that's right. All up's going to be 9 mil. Yep. There we go. We got 9 mil from there, 3 and 6. Perfect. Okay, let me normal to that size. So let me sketch that one. So we want to put 2, 4, 6 holes in. So 1 there. Whoop. 1 there. 1 there. 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there. Actually, hold on. Gonna be an easy way to do this. You take all that off. Beautiful. Okay, so now before we go any further, we want to put a circle in. That's going to be for construction. And that's going to be, where's that one? 82. 82, excellent. So this circle here and this mark here will be horizontal. Oh, sorry, vertical. Click outside and highlight everything. That one, circumference, the center to that line there will be coincidence. There you go. That one's locked in. Now we want circular pattern. Point 1. We want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all up. Let's see, 360. That should be right. Nope. Oh, hold on. I did something wrong. Hold on. Circular pattern. Oh. Click the circle. 6. Yeah, I didn't click that circle first. Arch. Now that's all done. There we go. Yeah, I didn't click the circle. Didn't know what it was circumferencing. That makes sense. Educate. Extrude cut. Through all. And okay. There we go. So we got 6 holes. They equally apart. Didn't have to worry about measuring. Just measure that one where it was. And that's that piece done. Actually, not quite. You want to do your save. Want to do a small fillet. $1.5. That looks about right. There you go. Yep, 1.5. That's all we need. Just to do along that one. So that one is done. Double checking. Yep. That one's done. So that is that part done. So that's part 1-36C Feedwater Heater Top Flange done. So if you enjoyed the episode, click the like button if you found it helpful. If you want to see more, you want to subscribe, consider subscribing. It does help me out. You get a notification when more comes out. Leave comments and suggestions or questions below. If you want me to explain something a little bit more, I'll be happy to do that. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.